We have such a beautiful day today, man. You see the trees, the leaves are changing colors already, and I can't believe that we're in the middle of September already. It's like the summertime just flew by. So, new project, that's what we're here to talk about. Yeah, I've been getting the itch to start a new project, and there's a few bikes that I have in mind. 3 bikes are bikes that I've never had, but I really want. And I don't want to say it now because I just don't want to, in case if later on I end up doing anything, I just don't want to spoil anything. I'd rather just, you know, surprise you guys with the pick, and then after that we can talk about whatever other bikes I was thinking about getting. But these 3 bikes are so different, and that's honestly probably the main reason why I still haven't decided, is because they're so different in each and every way, and it's just making things more complicated for me, because on one hand I'm like, oh well, I want this one because X, Y, and Z. On another hand, I'm like, okay, well, this one I could do this plus that. And then on the third hand, only have 2, but I'm like, but this one here is so cool, and I'd still be able to do X, Y, and Z, right? I'm not sure if I lost you yet, but I hope you guys are understanding. Yes, these 3 bikes are from Harley Davidson, so if you're thinking that I was gonna go with a different brand, no, we're sticking with Harley because that's my brand. So for some of you who thought that I might be getting something different, no. It's safe to say that it is a Harley. Damn, today's like one of those days where I just really want to just cruise. Just like a chill ride. You guys ever go out and you get on your bike and you're like, you know what, today I just want to cruise. I don't care about speed, don't care about ripping that much. I just want to just get on it, just do this right here. Nice little chill ride, relax, enjoy the weather. So soothing, calming, I don't know. So these 3 bikes, they're so different. Like, I wish I could just tell you right now, but I can't. I really can't. But they're so different. I wish I could have all 3, but no, that's not the case. I'll give you some hints though. One is very raw, right? Nothing to it. Minimalist bike, super simple. The other one is a step up from that, and I could do some touring on that bike. And it's just so classic looking, it's awesome. And then the third one is just so modern, cool, different. Can still do some touring on that. That's all I'm gonna say. But the reason why I also want to get into the project is because I don't know, I'm just getting the itch again. I get this itch like every 1.5 years or so, or every 2 years, and I'm like, you know what, time for a new project. And it's not for content or anything like that, because I could just stay with this bike and keep doing content on this, you know, it is what it is. I like trying new things. You know, it's hard to explain. But it's just, you know when you know. Once you get that itch, you just know. So if you know what I'm talking about, write in the comments right now, when you know, you know. That way I know that you understand me. Now let's talk about content real quick, because another reason is because I want to do something different as well. When you search for a lot of Harley content, there's a lot of repetitive shit. over and over and over and over and over and over and over. I'm like, I kind of want to get away from that. I kind of want to not say stay in my own lane or make my own lane, but I just want to have something different and not do the same shit that everyone else is posting. Like, it's just fucking boring, bro. Now, I know you're wondering, well, if you get a new build, are you going to get rid of your bike? If you saw my last video where I spoke about selling this bike, yes, if I was to start a new project, I would have to sell this bike. It is what it is. I'm not made out of money where I could just keep adding bikes to the stable. I mean, I wish I could, but no. Now, what I want you guys to do, I said I just wanted to chill. Now, what I want you guys to do is to take your guesses down below. This is not for sure yet either. This is just me. Even me wanting to sell the bike is not like a sure thing yet either. Like I haven't even posted this bike for sale anywhere. It was just, I made the video talking about wanting to sell the bike and whatever, but it's not 100%. But take your guesses down below. If I was to do it, what do you think those three main bikes are? Drop it down right now. Today was a short one. I'm just gonna keep enjoying my day here. I hope you guys do as well. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.